back to another video. In today's video we will be installing another LUVME hair unit, and this unit is a short little like bob, but I was very impressed by the quality of this hair. Y'all already know I love LUVME hair. I've been working with them for a while now. The construction of their caps, of their wigs, are like always superb. The quality of the hair is always superb as well. You know, they got the band, so it makes it super easy to install. But the quality of this hair, it was just so silky, so soft, and I just really wanted to make a point to emphasize that because I really enjoyed the quality of this hair. Y'all already know that links and specs on this wig will be in the description box down below, so check down there for links, length, all that, density, along with a discount code if you would like to save some money if you do decide to purchase from LUVME hair at all. So check it out, save some coin. Love that for you. So as you can see, I plopped that wig on my head. I took a wax stick and I'm just applying that on the top so that I can flatten out the wig on the top a little bit with my hot comb. So I'm just gonna be taking that and just flattening it all out. Flatten it on out, baby. Just giving a little heat, melt that wax down, make it nice and flat, giving scalp. I do want to mention I did pluck the hairline a little bit and I did bleach the knots. Like most of their units, you can get away with not doing either, but I like to just go above and beyond. So now you see me here just getting ready to cut the lace. I'm taking an eyebrow razor and just cutting in zigzag motions along the hairline to give it a very natural effect. Now I'm just taking a little bit of my bronzer and just popping that where the lace meets my head, just because I like for it to all be the same color, and if I use a certain makeup shade on my head, I want my lace to match that shade. So it just helps blend a little bit better. And as y'all see, I didn't use no glue on this unit. I just popped that boy in my head, and the elastic band on the back held it down tight enough to where I really didn't need any glue at all. If you want to install using glue, obviously you can. I've done it plenty of times before, but you don't always need to, and that's one thing I loved about these units because they're super versatile, easy, and like on the go friendly. Now I'm just playing around with the flat iron a little bit because I felt like these curls were a little too done. Obviously I pre-curled the unit when it was on a mannequin head, and I just kind of wanted to like perfect the curls, like kind of taper it in a little bit, straighten out some pieces that I feel like were too curly, curl some pieces that I feel like were too straight. So I'm just really fine-tuning it all here. As y'all can see, that was super duper duper easy to install. The hair is silky, I can't even talk. The hair is super silky soft. As y'all can see, my fingers are gliding through this hair like butter, baby. I love how it looked. I think it's super easy. I think that this wig is suitable for a lot of different face shapes, a lot of different skill levels on installing wigs. And yeah, it's just an overall super duper easy wig to install. Like I said, links will all be in the description box down below, along with a discount code to save y'all a little bit of money, because I know y'all want to save some money. If you're gonna buy a wig, you might as well save some money. So make sure y'all use my discount code in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.